Hello everyone, so if you want to enable automatic system updates on your Vivo X80 Pro, open up your settings. Now we're gonna scroll down to the very bottom to your About Phone tab, find your software information and find your build number. Now in your build number, you are to tap on it 7 times to summon our developer options. Let's do this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Alright, now we are prompted to enter our PIN, and boom, we've got our developer options. So to find them, in your settings, find your system tab. Here you gotta find your developer options tab, here they are. And now, here we gotta find our automatic system updates. Here it is. Simply tap on the switch near it to enable it, and that's it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.